Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today you will see how to crochet easy to make project using Tunisian crochet method. For this one I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, and seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. All information about the tools could be found in the description of each video. Let's get started crocheting. To start the work by making a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The foundation chain is ready. Then continue, make a chain more and draw seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. I skip the first chain stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook through the next chain stitch, pull up a loop. 2, count 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here what I have at this point. I hold all loops with my finger, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops. Here I have got 4 loops on the hook and pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. Here what I have at this point. My row 1 is ready. Let's crochet row 2. It's gonna be one row with seed beads and another one without them. I continue working on my cord lace tape, pull up the working loop. This is the level of the double crochet. I'm working with stitches or loops of the previous row. Insert the hook into the loop or thread, pull up a loop, pull through first loop. Pull up a loop to the level of the previous loop. You should check yourself. All loops should be the same. Insert the hook through the next one. Pull up a loop, pull through. So pull up a loop to the level. 3, 4. Here what I have. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Insert the hook into the thread, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, pull up a loop. Here what I have got 8 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through first loop, then pull through 2 loops, 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 and pull through 2 loops. I am done the second row. Here what I have. This is the second row without seed beads. Now I'm going to work with row with seed beads. And I'm gonna to alternate with seed beads and without them. Keep working. Let's crochet row 3. Make a chain. Draw seed beads. Yarn over with seed bead. Insert the hook into the stitch or thread of the previous row. As you can see, I am using Tunisian crochet method. For my cord, I skip this loop. I skip this chain stitch, insert the hook into the stitch of the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the thread. Here what I have. This is the previous thread, and pull up a loop. So I'm working the same way as I did here. Pull through 2 loops. Now pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through all loops on the hook and make a chain. My row 3 is ready. I am done 3 rows. So it is easy to make, so you just need to know Tunisian crochet method. Let's crochet row 4. It's gonna be like the second one. Insert the hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. They should be the same level. So right now yarn over the hook, pull through first loop, then pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull through 2 loops, 6 and 7. It was row 4. I stop at this point and let's look what I have done. So you should make as many times as you need for your project. Now let's look at my example. Here how it looks. Let's complete this row together. After the last chain stitch, or in your case it could be stitch or stitch with bead, to secure the yarn by making a chain. In my case, I have already cut off the yarn. You can cut off the yarn in your case. I leave long piece of yarn to create jewelry such as bracelet, necklace or choker. I remind you my cord consists of 2 rows. One of them is with beads and another one without them. The base of this cord is Tunisian crochet method. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me, with my guide. Where are you planning using my pattern? It is very interesting for me. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!